Phrasal verbs. I've really had enough of this book. I can't put up with this book any longer. I really don't know. I have no idea. I have great respect for him. I look up to him. He's similar to his father. He takes after his father. I collected the visitors. I picked the visitors up. He didn't listen to my advice. He took no notice of my advice. There are none left. We've run out. We've sold out. I thought the meeting was a good idea. I was in favor of the meeting. I can't wait to see you. I'm really looking forward to seeing you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.